2023 Top Score F1 Hobby, 6 boxes, half of the case. Let's get it, boys. After this, the hockey will be here. Just making sure this is, yeah, it's fresh. The hockey is on its way. It'll be here by the time we're done with this for sure. This stuff is sweet. We're due to hit an armoire. We're due to hit a nice constructor's crest. I am, right? Backers in LA, I think. I think Backers in LA, but I could be wrong. Yeah, let's hit a sick crest. Sherlock, if you're still here, you saw you hit a nice gold auto earlier, right? I hope you saw that, Chris. You had a nice one. Sergio Perez, True Gold Auto. Good luck, everybody, and a thank you to BK on the kill. Second. I know he's running to Legacy right now for us, and I'll even give it a 15-20% chance that he's watching while I'm saying this, but truth be told, Blue has been a phenomenal help to Blez and to me and this channel. He's helped a lot with the computer stuff. He's just been very resourceful. 1 second. I was just saying nice things about the blue, and then the blue walked in. A wild blue appeared. A wild blue has appeared with 2 cases of Series 1 and 2 cases of Lorcana. Is that, that's the Ravensburger?
Yes.
So I added it to the store. Lorcana's in the store. It's in there 1 case at a time. He's the best, Chris. We have Lorcana in the store now. We did it. We changed it from 18 spots to 12 spots, and we changed it so that every spot has a chance at an enchanted, I believe.
Yes.
Because there's the 6 character spots, and then there's the 6 non-character spots, which get the actions, the items, and the locations for each respective color. So there's 12 total spots now, which makes the price 50 a spot, 12 spots, 1 case at a time. It's perfect. Honestly, it's going to be so much better that way. It's a nice break, too. Lorcana's a nice break. It's beautiful stuff. I love the artwork. Love the artwork.
Every single card's original art.
Love the artwork.
So good.
And I saw, you know what else? I saw the artwork on some of the other Kako Out stuff. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, Kako's doing a lot. Definitely opened my eyes towards him.
Yep. Take a few spots, Ted. I know you want to, if you haven't already. The Lorcana is there. I mean, the NHL, the only thing, Ted, is we're definitely going to end up doing 11 and 12 of the NHL. That's going to take a solid, like, hour and 15 minutes combined. Well, there's a 50% chance, Travis, because now that we changed it to 12 spots, I don't even know what that is, CB. What is the Damn Tour? Is that like a D's Nuts joke? Did I just get hit by a D's Nuts joke or something?
Unless it's like the Hoover Dam.
Is he referring to the Hoover Dam?
It's the only dam I can think of in...
I've been to the Hoover Dam. We're not far from it. Yeah, the Hoover Dam. I've never been on the Damn Tour, but I've been in the Hoover Dam.
For some reason, as a kid, we did a field trip there when I was little. I remember the inside, like, super clear. I don't know why that's, like, a core memory for me.
I remember the inside from the Griswold Vegas Vacation or whatever it is.
I think there's another movie that went inside of there. I do remember that movie going in there.
Shia LaBeouf says they high trans. Yeah, in the movies.
That was the movie. It was Transformers that's in there. Oh,
Yeah.
shit. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. It is called the Damn Tour. I forgot about that. Clark Griswold gets lost on the Damn Tour in the movie. When he's, I forgot about that.
I just remember the scene of them going down the elevator.
He almost falls off the dam. He opens a door and it's like a door, like, just on the side of the dam.
They built, like, a new bridge that goes across it and stuff. I haven't been there since I was, I think, like, straight up in, like, 2nd grade or something.
I think I have to take a picture of that Jeff Gordon later. It's too nice. Is this the right way or is it the other way?
It's whatever side you want.
I think it's this way. I like it this way.
So I think on it said just whichever.
It's a dream.
Whatever the preference is.
This is a dream. I'm so happy we have this. It's so great. All right, good luck, guys. Alexander on the refractor. Esteban on the purple checkered flag to 199 Lance Stroll refractor. The floor is hot pink lava of Roy Nissany to 250. of luck, everybody, if I failed to say that yet. A purple and green of Lance Stroll and Nick DeVries on a refractor. Mini diamond of Maximilian Verstappen.
Nice.
Celebration. Celebration time. Come on. Versure to 99, the future star F2, green and crispy. Charles Leclerc. Refractor. Ooh, is that orange? I think we might have an orange. Purple of Logan Sargent. Nice. Somebody told me he finished well in the race last weekend. To 399 on his Formula One freshest. I do see an orange. Valtteri Bottas unnumbered, checkered flag. Charles Leclerc, refractor in the back of Daniel Ricciardo. I see an orange.
Rascal, there are 4.
Good luck on this orange. It's a profile. It's a portrait. It's an auto.
Oh, man.
It's Daruvala. Daruvala to 25 on the orange refractor auto to Sharpletic. Jersey color matches right. Very, very.
Oh, that's great.
Very good call, my friend. Good call. Let me get that chrome dust out of there. I know it'll bother Dale just as much as it bothers me. We're allergic to chrome dust, right, Dale? There we go. Way better. Way better. Daruvala. 17 of 25. True orange auto. For Sharpletic. Dun, 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 dun. Another auto. It's Roman Stanek F2. Refractor auto. Who's got the silver spot? The refractor auto spot. Stuho.
Oh, these are lifesavers, the rubber.
Right? I told you, dude. Hauger. Yeah, your knee would be hurting right now. Lance Stroll, purple and green. And then Piastri on the freshest refractor. Yeah, dude. They were huge lifesavers. Wow. There it is.
Ooh.
There it is. Armoire for TX of Logan Sargent. We're just talking about Logan. Chris gets a beautiful hit. The Armoire of Logan Sargent. Sick. 40 out of 50. He's got a nice looking helmet, that purple Williams Racing. I kind of like it. It does kind of look like
reminds me
R2D2.
of video games, like select your character
Yes,
kind of thing. Yeah.
I feel like the helmet should be spinning.
Yeah.
The helmet should be spinning. Like
Could you imagine if it was like lenticular with the
that would be
the helmet?
ridiculous. That'd be ridiculous. That'd be ridiculous. They have those cards, like the hologram cards where you like change the
Yeah.
angle, right? That would be sick
I
if
know,
they did that even with the helmet.
Was it Upper Deck Blizzard?
Yes,
Has those?
yes.
I want to see those over here.
Ooh, gold checkered.
Ooh.
More Logan Sargent. It's just Logan Sargent all day, every day, which is a good thing. Leclerc on the Aqua Wave to 150 celebration. More Logan Sargent. We'll take it. Give us more Logan Sargent. More cowbell. Unnumbered checkered of Verstappen. Purple of Charles Leclerc. Piastri. Rookie piece. And a refractor of Verstappen. Bum, bum, bum. Next box up. Aqua Wave of Daruvala. We just hit his true orange auto. Sergio on the refractor. Oops, sorry. Sergio again on the celebration refractor. Mini diamond of Jack Doohan to 299. Manuel Correa, the future star, on the purple checkered to 199. Unnumbered checkered of Verstappen winning Belgium in 2022. Kush refractor, and there we go.
Oh, wow.
That's a nice looking crest.
That's crazy.
The Constructor's Crest F1 AMG Patronus. That is a nice one. That's a nice one. Golfer Bass gets a crest. Let's Marco Bass. These things are so nice. I love these crests. If I had to PC one thing from this product, it would be so hard for me to decide between the Constructor's Crest and the Arctic Grand Prix. It'd be so hard because they're both just so freaking gorgeous. I like them both in the 1977s, though. That's red and green. Nice. Refractor of Russell. Purple of Duhan. And then Logan Sargent on the refractor, which will definitely top load given his recent driving. Yuki, red and green. Those are like 101 and 180 packs on the Yuki profile picture. That's pretty good. Piastri on the insert, the Speed Demon. Verstappen unnumbered but checkered. Purple of Charles Leclerc, celebrating. Aqua Wave again of Verstappen. We just keep hitting these Aqua Waves.
To the max.
To the max is right. Nick DeVries, refractor. See, the max to me is like... The max to me is... It's like Zach Morris and Kelly Kapowski. And Lisa. Hot Lava of Hauger. It's a 250. You know what I'm referencing or no?
No, I tried searching in my Mind Palace, couldn't find it.
Nick DeVries, purple and green. George Russell on the refractor. Saved by the Bell?
Oh.
Yeah.
I just know of it. I think my dad used to talk about it a lot.
Pink to 75 of George Russell. That's a nice one. Pink is an underrated spot. Mini diamond of Checo. And then refractor of Sergio as well. Gold? Is that gold? It is.
Ooh.
Pierre, gold. Non-auto. Gold. Non-auto. B.
Gold.
K. Vols gets the Pierre Gasly. And then we have orange and red. It's more Logan Sargent all day, every day. The freshest. The freshest of all. There's Piastri. He said, hold on, hold my beer. He said, I'm fresher. I'm fresher, Logan. Verstappen celebrating. I see gold. I see gold. Verstappen winning Japan. This is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite Verstappen celebrations. This might be my actual favorite. I think it is. Yeah, this is my favorite. This is my favorite Verstappen celebration card. The variation is the only one that looks cooler than this.
Oh wow!
But I love all the real estate. I love him standing on the car like that. I love how like his car looks like it's like fire. It's just, this is a nice looking card. Nice looking card for BK. I love that is my favorite. That is my favorite. Leclerc to 250, purple checker to 199 of Verscher.
Lava's trippy.
It is, right? Refractor of Leclerc. It's nice. I like the regulars to 75, though. Regular pink. I like the solid colors. I see gold wave coming up. There's a Piastri portrait piece. Stella. How Stella got his groove back on the refractor. Here's a gold wave of Valtteri, the Alfa Romeo F1 driver. Valtteri gold wave non-auto to BK Vols. Oh, shit. Look what we have, dude. We have an orange Futuro.
Ooh. I don't think I've seen one of those.
Oh,
wow.
These are nice.
Okay.
Theo.
That's great.
Theo on the orange non-auto Futuro. Very, very nice.
I love like the waves in the back.
Yeah, these are sick.
That's awesome.
That's a really hard hit, too. Orange Futuro going to Rob O on the orange non-auto. Very, very hot. Very, very difficult card to hit, too. Very good. Very good 6 boxes. Just good. We're killing it. Unnumbered checkered of Clement. There's an auto. It's Yuki. That's good. Refractor auto for Stuho. Yuki on the refractor auto. Yeah, this is a really good 6 boxes. Really good 6 boxes. All right, let's home stretch it out here. We got a couple hardy handfuls to rummage through. We ain't done. We ain't done. Valtteri purple and green. Iwasi, a.k.a. Iwasa, on the refractor. Roy Nissany on the Aqua Wave to 150, and then Yuki on the refractor portrait. Magnuson, unnumbered checkered. Ghastly refractor, a purple piece of Saints. Celebration to 299. One hardy handful to go here. It's a very hardy handful, though. And I spy with my little eyes some tasty color here. We'll chop it up into 2 handfuls. Looks spicy. Benavides refractor. Is that orange checkered?
Dang.
Piastri. Orange checkered rookie. To 25. For B.K. Vaults. That is a big card, man. Piastri rookie on the orange checkered. Let me take a picture. The people love Piastri. Nice hit on the orange checkered flag rookie of Oscar Piastri. 20 out of 25. Sick card, man. Like, I'm not good with the prices, but I think that I like low numbered Oscar stuff is selling for a fortune. I don't know.
Also, like, just having the car in there like that, and
like I have no idea. Like, I'm not good with the prices, so don't like hold me to this. But I believe that low numbered Oscar Piastri stuff is pretty hot right now.
That's a really good photo, man.
Yeah, they do a great job with it. I love the car pictures. There's Piastri again on the base, Saints on the refractor. Mini diamond of Manuel Correa, and there's a Piastri refractor. I get excited over just that, let alone an orange checkered. Verstappen at 250, and then we're going to close it out with a gold. There's Verstappen Celebration refractor. A golden purple, I lied. Of Hulkenberg, the Hulk. The Hulk on the purple and gold. And that is the half case. Let's do a little recap. Piastri base refractor, Logan Sargent refractor, another base of Piastri, some unnumbered checkers, the multicolored stuff. Logan Sargent, Yuki, the Perps, mini diamonds, nice Logan Sargent on the purple there. The floor is hot pink lava to 250, and then this is the 75 on the George Russell. Purple checkers, aqua waves, a lot of aqua waves. There's a green Versher. This is nice right here. Gold non-auto of Verstappen Celebration in Japan. Valtteri gold wave, Ghastly gold. Logan Sargent gold checkered. This was a great case, or great half case. Piastri to 25. An armoire of Logan Sargent to 50. I'll beat the sword on the Logan Sargent and on the Piastri checkered flag. There's Petronas, AMG Petronas on the Constructor's crest, Yuki and Roman on the refractor autos, Daruvala True Orange auto, and an orange Futuro of Theo, which is another extremely, extremely difficult hit. PYC 35, 6 boxes of Topps Chrome F1 in the books. Thank you for joining. That was the first half of the case. Second half still in the store. That was a break. Thank you.